In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use standard deviation in TradingView. Standard deviation is a simple but powerful way to measure volatility, or how much price swings around its average. When the standard deviation is high, the market is more volatile. When it's low, price movements are relatively quiet. Let's walk through how to get it onto your chart and what it tells you once it's there. Start by heading to tradingview.com in your browser. TradingView is a web-based charting platform, so you don't need to install anything. Once the site loads, you'll see the main charting interface, and on the right side, a watch list with a variety of symbols. Use that watch list to pick the market you want to analyze. You can select a stock, a crypto pair, a forex pair, anything available in your watch list. Clicking the symbol will load its chart in the main area. Next, open the full chart so you have the complete toolset and the most screen real estate. This view makes it easier to add and manage indicators, adjust timeframes, and see more detail on price action. With the full chart open, look toward the top of the screen and click Indicators. This opens a search window where you can quickly find any built-in studies. In the search bar, type Standard Deviation and then click the Standard Deviation indicator from the results to add it to your chart. It will appear as a separate pane below your price chart, typically as a single line that moves up and down over time. Here's how to read it. The line represents the standard deviation of price over a recent look-back window, usually based on closing prices. When the line rises, volatility is expanding, price is moving farther from its average. When it falls, volatility is contracting, price is clustering closer to the mean. You can compare peaks and troughs in the standard deviation line to periods on the price chart to understand when markets were hot and when they were calm. This is useful for planning entries, sizing positions, or anticipating that a quiet market might eventually break into a more active phase. A couple of practical tips as you watch it work. Standard deviation doesn't predict direction, it describes magnitude. Rising standard deviation can accompany both rallies and sell-offs. It's most effective when you use it to confirm that conditions are changing or to avoid overtrading during quiet stretches. Also, it's normal to see sharp spikes around major news events or market opens. That's it, you've added and started using standard deviation in TradingView. Practice by loading a few different symbols and observing how volatility ebbs and flows across markets and time frames.